Hairdresser Cuties Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cat holding a heart. So let's get started. To draw this very sweet cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a very big circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So nice and big. Create my draw so cute eyes. There. So now my two circles in, let's come inside and draw two smaller circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye, about right here, just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then in between the eyes, let's say about right here, I'm just going to draw a little nose. So I'm just going to draw a curve, then round it off on the corners and connect. Then right underneath it in the center, I'm just going to skip a little bit of space and I'm just going to draw two curves coming out. And cap it off. There. Then from there we need to draw the head. So it's just going to be this kind of ovalish, big mochi shaped head. So I am, let's see here. Let's just start about right here, the center of this eye, and I'm just going to come out a little bit wider. So let's say about right here. Same thing on this side, about approximately, just like the other side. Then from there, we're just going to draw this big curve going all the way across. So I'm just going to slant in because it's kind of like a mochi, so it's a little bit narrower towards the top. So I'm just going to go up. Bear with me here. I'm just trying to draw this big curve. So I'm going to come top nice and high to here about the center. And then now I can go ahead. I know the height, and bring it down just like the other side. And back to my point. There. Just come in here, fix my curve. Okay, so now that I have this huge curve, I'm going to bring this down. So this is kind of like the widest part. And let's see, bring it down, and same thing here. And I'll just kind of stop in that area because there's a heart we need to draw. But before I do that, let's come back up into this space right here and draw some ears. So I'll start by right here and go up, round off the tip, and then come down. And then we're just going to draw the inside, following the outside. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across so that I'm approximately the same area on the other side. So once again, just go up, drag this top point up, just approximate, say about right there. And once again, round off the tip and bring it back down. And draw the inside. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw this really big heart. So I'm going to find my center. So about right here, I'm going to come down past this point I've made. So I'm just going to come down past it a little bit. And let's just say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. this is going to be where my heart's going to start. So I want to draw this heart pretty big. So I'm going to aim to kind of bring it all the way out to here. So I'm going to go under the eye with this first curve. Nice round heart. And bring it down. And so same thing on the other side. Just kind of follow that. And I'll drag this point across just so that approximately the same height on the other side. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. And once again, we want to aim nice and wide, and just like the other side. So say about right there. So now that we have that, let's just bring it down a little bit more. And if you're using a pencil, just finish this heart. But I'm going to stop about right here. And I'm going to come in this area and draw this oval. I'm just going to cut it out and put in this oval for my cat's paw. So then come right here and draw two curves. So same thing on this side. There. So my cat's holding the heart now. Then we're going to find the center again and come down just to see how low you want, how tall you want your heart. So I'm just going to say about right here. Give myself a point. And I'm just going to imagine this coming through. And I'm just going to finish my heart. Just want a nice full heart. So about right here. And bring it down to your point. There. And then whatever space you have left, just finish off the head. So about right there. And bring it in. And then before I forget, we're going to come back to where the eyes are. And about right here, I'm just going to draw in two whiskers. And same thing over here. There. And then of course when you're coloring it, you can put in any kind of markings for your favorite cat, or of course whatever color. So then from there, let's come down and say about right here, maybe at the side of the eye. I'm going down right here with a point. And we're going to start to draw the side of the body. So just bring a curve down. And then right underneath this heart right here, let's say not too much. Let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw in this soft curve. About right there in the center. And then that's where we're going to connect the feet. So we're going to come down, and about right here, we're just going to curve and then go up. Nice and simple. So about right here. Same thing on the other side. And then you put in two little curves right there at the bottom. And then of course we need a tail, so I'm going to come right about here and just pull up this curve, round it off, and bring it in. And then I think we definitely need some stripes, right? So right about here, put in some curves. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cute cat holding a heart. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.